Very simple, very quick video. So many people ask me every single day, how do you trade copy? How do you trade copy? How do you trade copy? There's thousands of videos, but I'll make one for you because I'm for the people. I am the guy that the people want to see. I'm the guy that the people want to learn from. So I will do it. I'll do it. I love you guys. I do this for you guys. Very simple. Every time you buy a prop account, they send you your credentials. Right here, I'm going to have, editor blur the shit out so they don't log in and hack my accounts. But once you purchase the account, you will have your credentials, login info, password. Once you get your login info, I like to use Tradeovate. This video will be on how to trade copy on Tradeovate. Once you get your credentials, you log in to Tradeovate. Very simple. Boom. All your accounts are there. 5 take profit accounts because I love take profit trader. Daily withdrawals, can't ask for more. Once you get the accounts, you're good to go. So this is how your screen's going to look. It is the weekend for me. Oh, I have charts. Nice. I have charts and now they're up. So you go to the top where it says accounts and you would go all the way to the bottom that says manage groups. So one more time for those that didn't see, you go to up here to the top where it says accounts. You're going to go to the bottom, manage groups. Boom. You're going to give it a name. We're going to give it that little P2P. That's the name, P2P. You're going to drag over your brand new accounts. Whatever you have is what you have. I drag all 5 over. We're not done, guys. Let me explain, because I am a teacher. I'm an educator. These numbers right here, quantity of 1, you're going to leave it at 1. What I like to do is if I have different account sizes, that's the only time you change these numbers. So if I were to have a 50K, that means every time I get in, everything is going to be the same. But if I have a 50K here, and let's just say hypothetically speaking, this account is a 150, I would then put a 3 right here, which means if I get in on this one, it would do triple on the 150 because it's 3 times the size of a 50K. But since all my accounts are the same, which I recommend everyone do that and not give yourself the headache of having different account sizes, you leave everything at 1. Very simple. And you click save. So the next very important thing that people need to understand, and a lot of people forget, even I forget so many times I've placed trades and I've lost money because I don't have the copier on, is here. You're going to click this again and now you see the group. So let's see how it looks here. There's just take profit trader with the account number. You're going to click your group, which my group is called P2P. Now it's going to say take profit plus P2P, which is the group. So when I don't have it activated, it won't pop up. But when I do click it and it shows here, this means I will be copying across 5 accounts. So next step, a lot of people need to understand this. When you have 5 accounts, you need to have increments of 5. So if I were to want to place 1 contract on 5 accounts, 1 per account, I would therefore do 5. If I have 5 here, it will put 1 contract per account. I like to get in 5 micros at a time. Since I'm trading on 150s, I give myself room for error, room for mistake, and I don't care about making crazy money. I don't chase it. I chase what the charts give me. If I can scale, I scale. So I get in with 25, which is 5 micros times 5 accounts. 5 times 5, 25. This guy's a mathematician, right? So that's what I do. Something else that I like to explain to people is, a lot of people ask, what do they have on? I just have on, I go on my fills and orders. I only have orders, order lines, and fills, which is here in the fills and orders section. And then I go to price levels and I have show P&L. That's all I care about. Everything else I don't care about. If you want to change the color of your chart, which was very, very difficult, you have to click this button, configure, and then you click on this, boom. And that's how you change the chart. They made it very difficult to find that, or maybe I have dyslexia, one or the other, who knows, Next thing, very, very important, is a lot of people have a lot of nonsense at the bottom. I get rid of everything all the little things that Tradeovate has when you first open it. And I go to plus modules and I go to accounts and I drag it over and drop it. Boop, drag and drop. So after I go to accounts and then I drag and drop, get rid of it again. Get rid of it again. Once you go to the accounts, once you go here and you get it and you drag it and drop it, then you're good to go. What I like to do is I go to my settings and I go to select columns. These are the only things that I care about. Everything else is too much noise. I go to dollar open, dollar total, cash amounts, distance to daily loss limit, and then distance to draw down net liquidity. After that, your accounts are ready. Make sure every morning that you have your account group, and then make sure you have your increments of 5. If you have 5 accounts, if you were to have 3 accounts, it would be in increments of 3, which means if you want 1 micro per account, you'd have to do 3. If you want 2 per account, you'd have to do 6. If you want 3 per account, you have to do 9. If you want 4, 12, so on and so forth. That's how you do it. If you want to place an entry, these are the only buttons I care about: buy market, sell market, and exit market. If I'm getting into a buy, my stop loss would be a sell stop. If I'm getting into a sell, my stop loss would therefore be a buy stop. Very simple. You'd click on it and it would execute. You know, market is closed right now, so it won't get me in, but that's all you need to know. It's very simple. And I hope you guys actually learned something from this, even though I am a dumbass sometimes, but the people want to learn, the people will get what they want when it comes to me. PGP out. Love you guys.